Picture this: you're walking through a store and see a beautiful pair of shoes that catch your eye. They're exactly what you've been looking for, and you're tempted to buy them. But then you remember something you learned from I Will Teach You to Be Rich, Conscious Spending. You pause and ask yourself, do these shoes align with my values and priorities? You realize that while you do love the shoes, they don't really fit into your budget right now. Instead, you decide to hold off on the purchase and redirect those funds towards something that does align with your values, like saving for a trip to visit family. This is the essence of conscious spending, being mindful and intentional with how you spend your money. It means understanding your values and priorities and making sure your expenses align with them. One way to practice conscious spending is to identify your top values and goals. For example, if your goal is to save for a down payment on a house, you might prioritize saving money on rent or cutting back on dining out. If your value is travel, you might prioritize saving for a big trip by reducing expenses on other things like clothing or entertainment. Another way to practice conscious spending is to track your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. This could mean cutting out small expenses that add up over time, such as subscriptions or daily coffees. By redirecting these funds towards things that align with your values, you can get closer to your goals while still enjoying the things that matter most to you. Creating a budget is a key component of conscious spending. A budget helps you allocate your money towards your goals and values and also helps you avoid overspending. To create a budget, start by identifying your income and expenses. Then, allocate a portion of your income towards savings and investments and the rest towards your expenses. You can use tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets to help you stay on track. The beauty of conscious spending is that it allows you to enjoy the things that matter most to you while still building wealth for the future. It's not about depriving yourself of things you enjoy, it's about finding a balance between your short-term wants and your long-term goals. Have you ever thought about your financial future? You might be a young adult just starting out in your career, or maybe you've been working for a while and want to take your finances to the next level. Whatever your situation, one of the best things you can do for your financial future is to start investing early. In I Will Teach You to Be Rich, Ramit Sethi explains the benefits of early investing, including the power of compound interest. Compound interest is the concept of earning interest on your initial investment, as well as on any interest that accumulates over time. By investing even small amounts of money now, you can watch it grow over time as the interest compounds. This means that the earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow and the more wealth you can accumulate. But where do you start? There are a few different types of retirement accounts and investment options to consider. For example, a 401k or IRA can be great options for retirement savings, while mutual funds or index funds can be good choices for building long-term wealth. When choosing investments, it's important to consider your goals and risk tolerance. Are you saving for retirement? Are you comfortable with higher-risk investments that have the potential for higher returns? Of course, investing can be overwhelming, especially if you are just starting out. That's why Sethi recommends automating your investments, such as setting up automatic contributions to your retirement accounts. This way, you can set it and forget it, allowing your investments to grow over time without having to think about it too much. Another important thing to consider is diversification. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps to reduce your overall risk, as any losses in one asset class may be offset by gains in another. Finally, remember that investing is a long-term game. The stock market can be volatile in the short term, but historically, it has provided solid returns over the long term. By investing early and consistently, you can take advantage of compound interest and watch your investments grow over time. Imagine having a financial system that runs itself, freeing up your time and mental energy to focus on the things that matter most to you. This is the power of automated finances, and it's one of the key takeaways from the book. Automated finances can help you save time and money by simplifying your financial management. By setting up automatic systems for your savings, investments, and bills, you can ensure that you're always staying on track with your goals. Let's start with savings. One way to automate your savings is to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account. You can choose a fixed amount or a percentage of your income to save each month. It's recommended to aim for saving 20% of your income, but you can start with a smaller amount and gradually increase it over time. Another way to automate your finances is to set up automatic investments. You can choose to invest a certain amount each month in a retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA, or in a taxable brokerage account. It's important to choose investments that align with your goals and risk tolerance. For example, if you have a long-term goal like retirement, you might choose to invest in a mix of stocks and bonds for higher potential returns. If you have a short-term goal like saving for a down payment on a house, you might choose a more conservative investment strategy with lower risk. By investing early and regularly, you can take advantage of compound interest and watch your money grow over time. For example, if you invest $100 per month in a retirement account with an average annual return of 7%, you could have over $1 million saved in 30 years. Finally, you can automate your bill payments by setting up automatic payments for your regular bills, such as rent, utilities, and credit card payments. This can help you avoid late fees and ensure that you're always paying your bills on time. But it's important to remember that automated finances aren't set it and forget it. You should regularly review and adjust your automated systems to make sure they are still aligned with your goals and priorities. This can involve increasing your savings rate, adjusting your investment portfolio, or reevaluating your bills and expenses. By automating your finances, you can save time, money, and mental energy while staying on track with your financial goals. Imagine that you're reviewing your monthly bills and you notice that some of them are higher than you expected. Maybe it's your cable bill, your internet bill, or your phone bill. You're not sure if there's anything you can do about it, but you feel frustrated and stuck. Well, I have good news for you. You may be able to negotiate those bills and fees. Negotiation is all about advocating for yourself and your finances. And the truth is, many bills and fees are negotiable if you know how to approach it. Here are some tips on how to negotiate effectively. First, do your research. Look up the average price for the service you're paying for and compare it to what you're actually paying. This can give you leverage when you're talking to the company. Next, be persistent. Don't be afraid to ask for a better deal and keep asking until you get one. You can also ask to speak to a supervisor if the person you're speaking to can't help you. Finally, remember to review your bills and fees regularly. Even if you negotiate a good deal once, it may not last forever. So make sure to check in periodically and make sure you're still getting the best deal possible. Some services that may be negotiable include cable and internet bills, phone bills, and even medical bills. And the benefits of negotiating can be significant. You can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. So don't be afraid to speak up for your finances and negotiate those bills and fees. It may take some effort, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine being able to achieve your financial goals faster by increasing your earning potential. It's not impossible, and it doesn't have to mean working longer hours or sacrificing your personal life. In fact, there are many ways to invest in yourself and your skills that can lead to higher pay and more opportunities. One way to invest in yourself is by taking courses or getting certifications in your field. This shows your employer or potential employers that you are committed to improving your skills and knowledge, which can lead to promotions or better job opportunities with higher pay. Another way to increase your earning potential is by exploring different ways to earn money. For example, you could ask for a raise or promotion at your current job. If that's not an option, you could start a side hustle or freelancing business to generate additional income. There are countless opportunities available, especially with the rise of the gig economy and online marketplaces. It's important to remember that increasing your earning potential doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, effort, and dedication. But the potential rewards are worth it, and the earlier you start investing in yourself, the more time you have to reap the benefits. By taking control of your earning potential, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success and achieve your financial goals faster. As we come to the end of this video, let's recap the key takeaways from I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. First, conscious spending is all about prioritizing your expenses and focusing on what matters most. It's important to cut back on unnecessary expenses and redirect those funds towards things that align with your values. Second, early investing can help you take advantage of compound interest and grow your wealth over time. Consider different types of retirement accounts and investment options that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Third, automated finances can save you time and money by simplifying your financial management. Automate your savings, investments, and bill payments, but remember to regularly review and adjust your automated finances to ensure they align with your goals. Fourth, fee negotiation can help you save money by negotiating bills and fees for services. Research and persistence are key when negotiating effectively. Fifth, increasing your earning potential can help you achieve your financial goals faster. Invest in education and skills, ask for a raise, start a side hustle or freelance to earn more money. Remember, these tips are just the beginning. If you want to learn more about how to improve your finances, be sure to check out Ramit Sethi's book or website for additional resources. I hope this video has been helpful in providing you with valuable insights on how to improve your finances. Don't forget to take action and apply these tips to your own financial situation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe or follow for more tips on how to improve your finances.